Have you ever wondered how car development merges with F1 race car technology to drive innovation?
F1 is a high-speed testing ground for cutting-edge advancements that shape street car development. Just like in F1, car development starts with precision and innovation, transforming concepts into reality.
F1 technology brings innovations like traction control and active suspension into road car development, advancing safety, efficiency, and sustainability.
What role does Akkodis play in shaping the future in car development?
We proactively manage, develop, validate, and integrate individualized mobility products and services in the area of full vehicle engineering projects for our global customers.
Through market research, we identify future trends and customer needs to shape designs that balance performance, efficiency, and sustainability.
Our designers create their first sketches focusing on ergonomics, aerodynamics, and safety to optimize energy efficiency for a sustainable production.
Virtual reality refines these into 3D models, developing them into innovative concepts.
Next is engineering.
Mechanical and electrical systems are developed. With simulations, we test performance and safety to validate and ensure all components work together.
Similar to F1, mule vehicles test new parts before prototypes are built.
Based on rigorous vehicle durability testing in real-world conditions, designs are optimized for serial production.
So what's next? F1 car technology will continue to inspire mainstream vehicle development. As cars become smarter both on and off the track, data and sustainability will be key enablers of future mobility. This is how we engineer a smarter and more sustainable future together.